everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you guys are here for another round of Before You Buy. And Glossier made a brand new mascara and I had to get my hands on it. So I got the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. If you guys are interested about the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara and are wondering whether or not you should or should not buy it, then let's get started. On the Glossier website, this mascara is said to be a lengthening mascara and it's supposed to kind of enhance your natural eyelashes. In fact, I was a little bit underwhelmed because for me, I want the falsie effect without applying falsies. That's why this mascara felt a little bit underwhelming because whenever I applied it, it just felt like it separated my lashes really nicely, but it didn't give me that volume that I was looking for. So even right now, my lashes look very separated and a little bit longer than usual, but it's not voluminous, so it doesn't make me feel like I really put anything on. So I guess it really just depends on the user that is wearing the mascara. Are you the type of person that wants a very natural eye look? Something that just kind of makes your eyes look wide-eyed and open, then this mascara is great for someone like you. If you're like me, where you want more volume, you want that va-va-voom for your eyes and you want that falsie effect, then this mascara is not gonna do it for you. One of the pros that I do like about this is that there is no smudging on my lower lash line. No matter whether it's drugstore or high-end, I notice that I always end up getting smudginess right on my lower lash line at the midway point of the day. And it's frustrating because you just don't want panda eyes. It's not a cute look. I've been wearing my mascara for 12 hours. I applied it at 8 a.m. and right now it's 8:30, so it's been a full 12 hours, and if you look closely, there are no smudges. And I specifically wore a very light colored eyeshadow so I can see whether or not I had flakiness on my lower lash line, and literally nothing. It's just my eyeshadow and even on top. And mind you, I have very straight lashes. Like, my lashes go like this. And so I definitely curl my lashes before I apply mascara. That's with any mascara, whether it's drugstore or high-end. So I'm not gonna treat this any differently. I'm not gonna be like, you better curl my lashes. I mean, my lashes just need that extra oomph. And another cool thing about this mascara is that it comes off very easily. It kind of has like a tubing effect. So when you wash your face, literally with warm water, you can just gently pull on your lashes very gently and it kind of just comes off like little tubes of mascara. But it's interesting because even with exercise or anything like that, sweat doesn't come off. The Lash Slick Mascara is $16, so I'm not sure where that falls under. It's kind of like in between high-end but not drugstore either. It's just like right in the middle. Overall, the pros of this mascara is one, there's no clumping. It's going to separate your eyelashes like so beautifully. This is great for that. It's very natural looking. So if you are the type of person you just want to coat your lashes and have them separated, then you're good to go. This is perfect for you. It's very easy to take off at the end of the day because it comes off like tubes. And the number one reason why I will continue to use this mascara is because there are no raccoon eyes. Like, that's amazing. Honestly, even my high-end mascara sometimes does give me just like that outer rim smoky eye that I'm not looking for. In terms of that, I really like this mascara. The things that I don't like about this mascara is, like I said earlier, I want something that gives me a falsie effect without actually putting on falsies. You kind of end up using more trying to get that effect. So it's like, might as well just use a mascara that gives you that volume rather than using so much product when it's barely going to really show up. And overall, I just feel like pigmentation wise, I mean, yeah, it coats your lashes, but it's not anything too crazy. My final thoughts about this mascara. I think it's great for the everyday person. Again, Glossier's audience that they're trying to reach is more for the everyday, natural kind of person. It's not someone that's like glam, wham, bam, all day, day. They're not targeting those types of people, so that's why this mascara is perfect for the everyday person. If you are the glam, wham, bam kind of girl, then I don't know if this is the best mascara for you. If you are the type of person that kind of has trouble finding a mascara that doesn't smudge on your lower lash line or even on your lids, then this mascara is great to try. And what you can do to get that voluminous effect is to apply this first, and then anywhere that you need that extra oomph and that volume, I would use a different voluminous mascara. It's a little bit more tedious because you have to use 2 products, but this is the only mascara that I've used that has given me no smudginess on my lower lash line. So for that alone, I would use this. It also says on the website that this mascara is water resistant, not waterproof. So if you're the type of person that needs waterproof mascara, this is not your cup of tea. You're not gonna want this. This is just water resistant. So it's going to be great when you are sweating, going to the gym, or just exercising, doing things. If you're running around, this will stay on. But like I said, it's going to come off very easily with warm water. And I think that's why it's kind of nice, because the removal process is so easy. Again, it doesn't advertise on Glossier's website that it's voluminous. So it's like, I can't expect it to be voluminous. You know what I mean? I can't knock it off that it's not voluminous when they don't advertise it as such. They advertise it as a lengthening mascara, which it does. And it holds the curl. So for me, I think it does exactly what it says. It says it's a natural mascara that kind of enhances your lashes. And that's it for today's review on the Glossier Lash Slick Mascara. If you guys liked my Before You Buy series, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment down below on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe so you join the family. Thanks for watching. Bye!